Hello and welcome everybody to another video. This is going to be a very short and quick one for you. Love my attire today, by the way. Just cleaned the car. I've got a 2017 Ford Everest, if nobody knows. But if you're interested, I'm going to be fitting these door handle decorative plates. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of scratches underneath or behind my door handles there. So I don't like that look. So the quickest way and the easiest way for me is to put these decorative trims on. There you go, there's the driver's side. Usually that's the worst one because people are holding their keys while they open the door. So yeah. Alrighty, so I bought these from AliExpress. They cost me $20. Now these are carbon fiber look, and they actually do have Everest on there. So I think they look pretty schmick for 20 bucks. So AliExpress, I'll leave the link down in the description below. Sometimes they do change in price, but I got mine for $20. Alrighty, let's get into fitting them. Okay, so as you can see, it does have a 3M tape on the back. So all you need to do first up is literally remove the red part, and then they should just stick straight onto the vehicle. Obviously, make sure your car is clean of any dirt, grime, silicone. Yeah, use a baby wipe or some sort of alcohol wipes if you can. I've just cleaned my car, so mine is good to go. Okay, so I would recommend that you do a dry run first. Just put the decorative plate in place. Just see if you're happy with it. Look at the gaps around the door handle itself, underneath and on top, just to make sure that it's aligned. Get a good idea where that is before you take that red tape off. Okay, so there you go. All four are fitted. Took me all of about 5 minutes. As you can see, they look pretty schmick. Just gives another look to the car as well. Gets rid of those scratches for me. Like I said, 20 bucks from AliExpress. Seriously, I think they're so worth it. They look really good. Like I said, I went for the carbon fiber look. They do all different colors. You can do black, just plain black. You can do white, you can do chrome. So yeah, get onto it. AliExpress. 20 bucks. Bargain. Alrighty, so there's another video done. Told you it was going to be short and quick. If you liked it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya.